ओम शांति।
Om
अव्यक्त परिवार
Shanti,
में
welcome
आपका
to
स्वागत
Avyakti
है।
Parivar.
आज है दिन
Today is
7,
day 7.
संतुष्ट मणिबन सदा संतुष्ट रहो
Be a jewel of
और
contentment.
सबको
All others' content is a speciality of a true server. Now, we listen to any point and then that stays in our intellect. And we also know that it is right. But till you put that into practice and become an embodiment of that. You can check yourself that, when you're doing some task, do you always have that awareness that you are an instrument? If you feel that, just raise your hands. I can to see that, whatever task you are doing it, do you have that consciousness that, I'm an instrument and God, Baba is making it happen. And the result of what we are doing as instrument and Baba is making to happen is, in the result, you will see that you will be content. And for whom you do the service, the seva, they also will feel very contented. If you see that majority are very content. But there are a couple here and there that, that Dadi Gulzar called me once and then and then asked me that, do you think that is everybody happy with you or content with you? Then I said, Dadi, I think maybe there's a couple of souls that would not have been happy with me or content with me. Then Dadi said, did you speak to them anytime about that? So Dadi knew that why, Dadi knew what was the reason those were not content with me. So Dadi asked me to talk to him. And for me, it was feeling like if I start to talk, like, if they start to talk and then they start talking more and more, and then, it might be going into a different conversation. But then when Dadi told that to me, that did you speak to those souls that you think are not content with you? And what I've seen is many a times we even talk to those people and be in very good connection, but are they really understanding or they able to understand what you are saying? And that's why they are saying, right? There's a saying that there's a misunderstanding that I wanted to say this, but you understood in a different way, misunderstanding, right? So the bhavna, the intention of saying that could be different, but the way we understand could be different. So the more we understand the intention or the bhavana of that soul, the more we can feel content. And in the yagya, before sleeping, many of them would, revise the Avyaktavani and then sit together in the night and discuss about it and meditate. And then what happens with that is the environment or the atmosphere becomes very light, and then they can communicate clearly with each other. I want to say this, that, if you think that somebody is not happy with you or content with you, ask them that, what you want to see a transformation in me or see different in me, that, and if the other person is telling something, let them finish what their thought process is. And many of the times we see that many souls do not have the capacity to listen. If somebody is telling that, they are not content with you because of so and so, but even those souls will not be having patience to even, or the power to even listen. And then they keep arguing again. So these days, right, I want to make one thing very firm, that, listen a lot and speak less. Because even you see many souls come to you and tell their problems, issues, listen and then give them solutions. These days, that's what I have observed, that everybody becomes a lawyer of themselves. Because even you see that the lawyer keeps arguing, and finally when the judgment has to be given, judge will give the judgment in very few words. But then when it comes to lawyer, they're trying to, make truth into false into truth, arguing or putting their case forward. So don't get reacted into those situations. And within very few words and few sentences, you always convey what you wanted to convey and make everyone feel contented.
उस आत्मा को क्या फायदा हुआ, वो भी बहुत जरूरी है। तो इसलिए
So
संतुष्ट रहना,
be always remain content and make everyone content. And for that, in your practice and even in the conversations, sit with each other and talk and listen to each other. And it's very important. Om Shanti.
अव्यक्त मुरली रिवीजन
Avyakta Murli Revision
1969
from
ज्ञान के
1969, Jewels of
और
Knowledge
स्नेह
and
के
Pearls of
भाव में।
Love. Avyakta Murli Revision.
अव्यक्त वाणी
The
तारीख है 15
date is
सितंबर
15th September
1974।
1974. The ultimate objective of making effort is to become an Avyakta angel.
हिसाब
Of
किताब
course,
लगाना
your
तो
old
होगा
karmic
ही,
accounts will still
सिर्फ
exist,
उसमें यह एडिशन
but
होंगी
there will simply be this
लाइट
addition
स्वरूप के स्मृति
by
को
making the awareness of the
मजबूत
form
करने
of
से
light strong.
हिसाब
You will
किताब
become the
चुकता
form
करने
of
में
light
भी
when it comes to
लाइट
settling
रूप हो
accounts.
जाएंगे।
When an injection is
जैसे
given, you see a
इन्वेंशन
difference in 5
जैसे
minutes.
इंजेक्शन लगाने से
And even when a
5
sleeping
मिनट में ही
tablet is
फर्क पड़
taken,
जाता है,
all distress is
वैसे ही
finished.
नींद
In
की
the
गोली
same way,
लेने
you
से
should
ही
also think that you're taking the
परेशानी
nourishment
समाप्त हो
of
जाती
sleep.
है।
This practice is for
आप भी
bringing about
ऐसे ही
such a
समझो
stage. At
कि यह
Amrit
हम
Vela
नींद
also
की खुराक
have the
लेते
special
हैं,
practice of having
ऐसी स्टेज लाने के लिए
incarnated.
ही यह
Sometimes
अभ्यास
consider yourself to be a
अमृत
bodiless
वेले भी
resident of
जैसे
Parandham,
अभ्यास करना है।
or that you have
हम जैसे कि
incarnated
अवतरित
in the
हुए हैं,
Avyakta form, and
कभी ऐसे
sometimes
समझो
consider
कि
yourself
मैं
to be
अशरीरी और
incorporeal.
परमधाम का निवासी हूँ, अथवा अव्यक्त रूप में अवतरित हुई हूँ, और फिर स्वयं को कभी निराकार समझो।
You should
यह 3
practice
स्टेजेस
having these
पर
3 stages
जाने
in
की
such a
ऐसी
way
प्रैक्टिस हो
that it
जाए
feels like you're going
जैसे
from
कि
one
एक
room to
कमरे
another.
से
So at Amrit
दूसरे
Vela,
कमरे में जाना
there
होता
should be
है।
the special experience of
तो
claiming the
यहाँ
blessing of
अमृत
being
वेले यह
bodiless.
विशेष अशरीरी भव का
Acha,
वरदान लेना चाहिए।
due to the stage of ascent,
अभी
there is
विशेष यह
benefit for
अनुभव हो।
everyone.
अच्छा,
What is the practical
चढ़ती
form of
कला
the
सब
stage
का
of
भला,
ascent
चढ़ती कला का
in which
प्रैक्टिकल
there is
स्वरूप क्या
benefit for
होता है?
everyone, through which
उसमें सर्व का
you would
भला
be able
होता
to
है।
see the effort you need to make for
इनसे
the
ही
stage
चढ़ती
of
कला
ascent.
का अपना पुरुषार्थ देख
Benefit for
सकेंगे।
everyone proves that it is the
सर्व
stage
का
of
भला
ascent
ही
for
सिद्ध करता
everyone.
है
In
कि
fact,
चढ़ती
that
कला
is the
है,
thermometer.
वास्तव
In
में
the
यही
beginning,
थर्मोमीटर है।
all of you had the part of being the
आप लोगों
goddess
का
of
शुरू में
coolness, and now
था
your part is
शीतला
to
देवी
be
का
the
पाठ,
goddess of
अभी
intense
है
fire.
ज्वाला देवी का पाठ। पहले स्नेह से समीप संबंध में आए और अब फिर शक्ति स्वरूप बनना है।
At first, people
अभी
come into
सिर्फ गुण
close
और स्नेह
relationship
का
through love,
प्रभाव है।
Whereas you now have to
या
become the
knowledge का
embodiment of
प्रभाव है,
power. At present, there's
लेकिन
simply the influence
साक्षात
of
मूर्त
virtues and love or the
अनुभव
influence
करें
of knowledge.
कि यह कोई
But when will they
साधारण
experience
शक्ति
this to
नहीं
be your
है,
practical form and
जैसे
that
सूर्य
you're
की
not an
किरणें
ordinary
फैलती
Shakti?
हैं,
Just as the
वैसे
light of the
ही
sun
मास्टर
spreads, in the
सर्वशक्तिमान
same
भी
way, everyone all
श्रेष्ठ
around should experience the
शक्तियों
rays of
व
your stage
विशेषताओं रूपी
of being a
किरणें
Master Almighty
चारों
Authority
ओर
in the form
फैलती
of
अनुभव
powers and
करें।
specialities. If you carry
मैं
out your
विघ्न
activities
विनाशक
while
हूँ,
being seated on the
इस
seat of a
स्मृति की
destroyer of
सीट पर
obstacles,
स्थित होकर
then the obstacles will
तारोबार
not even
चलाएंगे,
come in
तो
front of
विघ्न
you.
सामने तक भी
Acha?
नहीं आवेंगे।
Om
अच्छा,
Shanti.